girl Brii.Babiie and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, for today's video I got a surprise. Y'all, I'm super excited for this video because today we are going to delete the mufflers off winter. Y'all think my baby sounded sexy before? Just wait till y'all hear how she sound after we get this done. If you guys like this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys hit that like, leave a comment, also subscribe. Alright y'all, so y'all already know, I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start on winter. This is how she sounds before we get the mufflers deleted, okay? Super excited, bro. At that time, you already got me. So at that point, if you even say 200, I'm gonna be like, you got it, bro. Because I ain't gonna want to go nowhere else. Especially if I have to make a trip, boy, you got it. It's not even worth it. H-O-L-D, hold on me. D-I-E, I've been need some peace. Drink codeine till I can barely breathe. Bayo, not working, nah, I need time to sleep. Alright, so we are here. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we are under the car. Like you said, I'm gonna keep the resonators on there. I'm just gonna do the muffler deletes, and the mufflers are these two things right here. Ooh, yeah. I'm not gonna do the straight pipe just yet. And I'm saying just yet, I might not do it at all because I don't want the extra loud noise. Like, I know if I delete both the resonators and the mufflers, like, it's gonna be super loud. You know, I don't want to just do all that just yet. I might do that in the future, but for right now, I'm going to get my muffler deleted. So I just want to be a little bit louder. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to let them do what they do because they some experts and I don't know nothing. I don't know how to do it or anything like that. So I'm just out the way. And in the meantime, I'm eating my chips and drink on this Gatorade. Y'all already know, ooh, it's the sun beaming on his forehead for me. But y'all already know I do gotta give a shout out. They actually have a couple of chains. It's just not this one location. This is the 12th location. So New Star Mufflers number 12. I think that you put in the GPS. But yeah. Shout it out real fast. Yeah, I'm so excited. My baby about to be some pressure. So we out here on this very sunny day. Like, literally the sun is beaming on my forehead right now. But y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how winter sounds on the outside. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She ain't one of them. She is not one of them. That's some heat. But like I said, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna see how she sounds. Yeah, my baby some pressure for real. Tell them stop playing. Straight pressure. That girl mean. Alright, y'all, so that's it for the video. As you guys saw, I got my mufflers deleted. Y'all seen the before, how it sounded before and how it sounds after. And y'all, I'm just in love with the sound. Like, I was already in love with the sound before she got a BBL. Bro, now I'm in love. But y'all already know, if you guys like this video, be sure you guys hit that like, leave a comment, also subscribe.